Welcome to my channel Automotive World. Today we are talking about Audi S8 2025. The 2025 Audi S8 is here, and it continues to impress with its perfect blend of luxury, power, and advanced technology. This high-performance sedan retains its signature aggressive styling while incorporating refined details that make it stand out even more. Audi has introduced a range of new colors, giving buyers more customization options to match their personal style. The sleek lines, bold grille, and sharp LED lighting enhance the premium look, making the S8 a true head-turner. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi S8 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers an exhilarating 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional handling and stability in all conditions. The sedan accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, making it one of the quickest luxury sedans on the market. The adaptive air suspension and all-wheel steering further enhance driving dynamics, providing a smooth yet sporty ride. Inside the cabin, the Audi S8 is designed to offer the highest level of comfort and technology. Premium materials such as Valcona leather, carbon fiber trims, and aluminum accents create a sophisticated atmosphere. The seats are highly adjustable and come with heating, ventilation, and massage functions to ensure maximum comfort on long journeys. The dual-screen MMI infotainment system is equipped with the latest Audi software, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options. A fully digital 12.3-inch virtual cockpit display allows drivers to customize their driving information with ease. In terms of technology, the 2025 S8 is packed with advanced features that elevate the driving experience. The latest version of Audi's AI-assisted driving technology includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The predictive active suspension system scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension to provide a smoother ride. A Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system ensures that passengers enjoy an immersive audio experience, while ambient lighting and customizable settings allow for a personalized touch inside the cabin. Audi has also introduced new color options for the 2025 S8, giving it an even more dynamic presence. Classic shades like Mythos Black and Glacier White remain available, but new metallic and matte finishes add a fresh look. The combination of elegant colors and sporty design elements makes the S8 a striking presence on the road. With its powerful engine, refined luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Audi S8 continues to set a high standard in the performance luxury sedan segment. It perfectly balances speed, comfort, and innovation, making it an ideal choice for those who want both thrilling performance and executive-class luxury. Audi has once again demonstrated its commitment to engineering excellence with this remarkable vehicle. For more updates on the latest car releases, specs, and features, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting content.